And once you enter, this will be your living area. This is your kitchen area, so you can have a look at the kitchen. And this is the master bedroom, and you can check. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Urban Rise Revolution 1, which is located in Paddur, Chennai, a project developed by Urban Rise developers. And today we are here to check out the 2 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are here standing on the land parcel of the project, and this is the land parcel. So basically you can check out almost the construction work is finished. So basically this is nearly positioned project. If you are looking for nearly positioned, then this project suits you perfectly, and this part of the project has been delivered and residences are residing over here. Now let me inform you that the marketing office is just on my left hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number gets shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with developers. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in total 12.9 acres of land parcel consisting of total 8 towers, each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies where 1 BHK and 3 BHK is completely sold out, and currently 2 BHK is available for y'all in near possession. And now about the amenities part. So the project is coming up with luxurious amenities like a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging track, kids play area, landscape garden, gymnasium and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR main road in Paddur, Chennai. So basically let me show you the connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Chettinad Hospital in just 750 meters from the project. Hindustan College is just 850 meters away. And Marina Mall is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. So now this is your 2 BHK model flat of 888 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So here's the main entrance of your house. And once you enter, this will be your living area. Exactly in front of the TV unit space. On the opposite side, you can add up your dining table with the easy access to your kitchen area right here. But before moving towards your kitchen area, let me show you this balcony. And here's a balcony which is connected to your dining area with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony will be 2-side covered. Now moving further towards your kitchen area, and this is your kitchen area. So you can have a look at the kitchen area with the platform, the L-shaped platform over here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and a refrigerator space this side. Now moving further towards your bedroom space. So basically, your 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house, and bedroom number 1 right here. So once you move in towards your bedroom area, and this is the space, the spacious bedroom here is. Here there is ample of space to move around in the room with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, a bed space, and here's the wardrobe area. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, here's a bed space, the wardrobe area for your storage. And now moving further, so once you move out, once you step out from this room, and here with the easy access is your washroom with a sink outside, washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom, which is just behind me, but before that let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now we'll be entering towards your master bedroom, and this is the master bedroom. And you can check out the space, the huge bed space over here, and basically they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose where you can even add up your workspace like this with a chair and a table. Here's a dressing area with a wardrobe set, Even this bedroom has an attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now you all know we are here in Paddur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more information of the project, then all is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.